Hello everyone, and welcome to another learning experience on Branson TV. In today's edition, we shall be taking a look at two different sounds. And in the course of looking at these sounds, we shall be contrasting them, that is, looking at them side by side in different words that feature these sounds. So please take note, anytime you want to use these words side by side or at different times, please make sure that you use them with the right sound. And that will really improve your pronunciation. Now first, we're looking at the sounds, and these are two monophthongs. One is a long sound, and the other one a short sound. And these are, first, E, E, and the second sound, I. So here are the words that we're featuring in today's exercise. You can do so well to repeat after me as I say these words side by side. First, we have the word heel, heel, and hill, hill, eat, eat, and it, peak, peak, and pick, pick, seat, seat, and sit, sit, lead, lead, and lit, lit, feet, feet, and fit, fit, sin, sin, and sin, sin, tin, tin, and tin, tin, read, read, and read, read, sleep, sleep, and slip, slip, neat, neat, and knit, knit, keen, keen, and hid, hid. So these are the words we're featuring in today's lesson. Please take note. The first word is having the long E, and the second word is having the I sound. So one is a long sound, and the other one a short sound. So a quick recap of the words that we have pronounced so far. Heel, hill, eat, it, peak, pick, seat, sit, lead, lit, feet, fit, sin, sit, tin, tin, read, read, sleep, slip, knit, knit, keen, hid. So thank you so much for watching and for learning on this channel, Branson TV. Please continue to practice all these things that you're learning in order for you to continue to improve and seeing yourself becoming a fluent reader and a fluent speaker of the English language. Please join us in the next video for more learning experience, and also remember to subscribe to this channel so that from time to time when new videos are released, you can be notified. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and